Just say yes to doing your best in school.
Having a good life requires hard work and dedication to education.
It's never too late to do what's right. If we concentrate on our education and say no to sex, we will accomplish our mission, reach our goals, and live a better life than ever.
So teens should think about having a sexual relationship because the choices they make in their daily lives will reflect on their actions in the future.
School is the only path that can provide the knowledge and the skills to survive in the future.
In Pohnpei, school is our first priority.
Relationship causes distractions as long as academics are concerned. We tend to waste a lot of time daydreaming about that person and don't realize how time quickly flies away, which ultimately hampers our performance.
Education is your passport to the future. Going to school will make life easier for you because you'll be able to learn about issues required in achieving your goals.
Students who are in a sexual relationship during high school are always tempted to work on other things rather than focusing on their education. Most of the students in high school fail most of their classes due to the fact of having sexual relationship.
There is a very high percentage of teenagers dropping out of school from the result of sexual relationship.
Teenage pregnancy can lead to low self-esteem, and that could be too much for an adolescent to take.
Sexual desires have consequences that we can turn away from or get rid of. Be smart and avoid being forced or coerced into a situation you know you cannot benefit from.
Many adolescents become engaged in sexual behaviors with multiple partners without using any protection. Such behavior leads to unintended pregnancies and causes sexually transmitted diseases that are either preventable or treatable. Some important tips why you should focus more on your education. First, having high self-esteem. Second, prevents you from any STDs and pregnancy. And the last, does not ruin your reputation and your future.
It's hard to raise a child when you're still a child.
Being a teenager is the hardest level of growth everyone could ever experience in their life. Thus, it takes a strong heart to overcome every obstacle they face in life.
If you focus on your education, you will be well educated and live a better life in the future.
Education first before sexuality. Sexual relationship is an interpersonal relationship that involves physical intimacy. Physical intimacy is characterized by friendship, platonic love, romantic love, or sexual activity.
Just say yes to doing your best in school.